All right, 2023 Hyundai Elantra key fob battery replacement. Both of these will be being replaced today. First, you want to hit that button, pull it over, pull that out. See a little space right there. Not the big one, but the little one. Flathead head screwdriver, put it in that slot and turn it as if you were turning the key. Take it off. Remember which way the battery is facing. And it's going to be the CR2032 battery. See, that one is facing logo down. Take this one out. This one back in, same way. Up. Get stuck there. First. And there you have it, it's in. Go ahead and reverse engineer it. Should click right back into place. Put it back. Simple as that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same with this one. Don't want to get the batteries mixed up. This is the dead battery. Put that to the side. Again, turn like you're turning the key. Cracks open. Logo facing down. Logo facing down. Back in. Reverse engineer. Click back into place with a little bit of force.